Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build Mario bricks. We will explore the foundational steps for creating iconic characters using construction bricks. This guide focuses on a precise method to ensure your Mario model is both recognizable and structurally sound. You will learn about selecting the correct brick shapes and sizes, along with the specific color palette needed to bring the beloved plumber to life. Get ready to transform simple bricks into a fantastic display piece. To begin, you will need a selection of standard construction bricks in 6 key colors: vibrant red for his cap and shirt, deep blue for his overalls, warm brown for his shoes, crisp white for his gloves, stark black for outlines, and bright yellow for buttons. A sturdy base plate, ideally measuring at least 16 by 16 studs, provides a solid foundation. Before placing any bricks, it is crucial to plan your design, perhaps by sketching it out or following a pixel art guide to ensure accuracy. The most effective way to build Mario is by constructing him layer by layer, starting from the very bottom and moving upwards. This method ensures maximum stability and allows for precise pixel placement. Each brick should be firmly pressed into place, interlocking with at least 2 studs from the layer beneath it. Varying your brick sizes, such as using 1x1, 1x2, and 2x2 bricks, helps create intricate details and strong connections throughout the model. Once the main structure is complete, it is time to add those crucial details that truly bring Mario to life. Carefully place bricks for his iconic mustache, the yellow buttons on his overalls, and the M emblem on his cap. Pay close attention to reinforcing any areas that might seem less stable, adding extra interlocking bricks where needed. Finally, proudly display your meticulously crafted brick-built Mario in a spot where it can be appreciated by all your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.